6 minus 2 gives us 4, and 3 multiplied by 4 gives us 12, in the end, 12 divided by 12 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics called the order of operations. The order of operations tells us that when we face a mathematical expression, we cannot start solving it from anywhere we like. Instead, we must follow a specific order called the correct order of operations. The correct order of operations is known by a short acronym called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents and roots. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in any mathematical expression, we first calculate parentheses, then exponents and roots, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority in any expression that has both multiplication and division. We move from left to right and perform whichever we reach first. This rule also applies to addition and subtraction. Now, with these explanations, let's solve the question from the beginning of the video. But before solving it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. 12 divided by 3 times 6 minus 2, according to PEMDAS, we first calculate the parentheses, 6 minus 2 gives us 4, and the expression becomes 12 divided by 3 times 4. In mathematics, when a number is written next to parentheses, it means multiplying that number by the expression inside the parentheses, but usually the multiplication sign is omitted for simplicity. Now, in this expression we have both division and multiplication, and according to PEMDAS, since multiplication and division have equal priority, we move from left to right and perform whichever comes first. Here, moving from left to right, we first reach the division. So we calculate 12 divided by 3, which gives us 4. In the end, 4 times 4 gives us 16, which is our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel.